Okay, guys, put a little more dirt in, put it down, start painting it around, Erilyn and Jacob. Grandma Kay, say hi, you're on the video. Alright, here we go. Panning for minerals. Whoa, what'd you find? Cool, beautiful. Wow.
Her favorite color.
Cool. Awesome. All right, Jacob, put it down in the water and swish it around. See what you come up with, buddy.
That's for Brazil.
Did you get your favorite in there? Wow.
Amethyst, yep. All right, you want to wash that up real good?
Yeah, stick it in the water, baby.
All right.
Go ahead and pan it around the water.
Oh my goodness.
Go ahead, go ahead. Oh my god, wow.
That's one.
Beautiful.
That one right there.